I'm going to cover a few issues today, a few topics. I was really fortunate enough that yesterday, Dr. Stephen Chen have a very comprehensive review of ridge preservation as a concept and the scientific validation. So I don't have to prove to you today, hopefully, that ridge preservation is a technique that has proven its significance. But these are the topics that I'm going to cover today, and I hope I will be able to do that in the next 18 minutes or so. Now, when we have a regular extraction like we do in the anterior maxilla, many changes take place in the socket. This is mainly due to osteoclastic activity. Let's not forget that the extraction process, regardless of how careful you are, is a trauma to the bone. And it will cause hypoxia and extra stress on the bone, especially the buccal bone during the regular extraction process. This will change usually to remodeling process or a modeling process that takes place mostly in 3 dimensions, vertically and buccally in the anterior maxilla. This remodeling process that takes place will cause a shift in the position of the prosthetic component of the implant and creates the challenge. But most importantly, what happens during this process is we lose the bundle bone. And the bundle bone is replaced by the Haversian system, just normal bone healing. That's why the term socket preservation was replaced by ridge preservation. It's not a socket anymore. The socket disappears. Actually, we hope that the socket will disappear because we don't want periodontal ligament. We don't want capsule inside there. But what happens is just a normal healing process of bone. And this is one of the most famous diagrams in modern implantology. We've seen it since 2003 consensus report, 2007, 2013, and lately Dr. Danny Boozer in one of his most important articles in 2017.